Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back with the 2004 Toyota Sequoia. And today we're going to be installing a bull bar. Going to give you a little sneak peek on what that looks like here. Right, this is what the Sequoia looks like with the bull bar on it. Looks great, all matte black. Installs under 5 minutes. Here it is. Nice big black bull bar. It's going to be easy to install. It's going to look really good. Even has some mounting holes for a LED light bar or pods. Get to that here in a little bit. Getting ready to install the bull bar on the 2004 Sequoia. Here it is right here, matte black. Nice finish. We have the hardware kit for it and instructions. Alright, let's get into it and install this bull bar. There will be a link down in the description for this bull bar for your Sequoia. Alright, first thing we got to do is get under the Sequoia here. I got some sockets in my impact gun. Going to make it a little bit easier to remove the bolts. Alright, this is what we will be removing right here. This is on the passenger side. Here are the 2 bolts. And this is on the driver's side. Going to be removing those 2 bolts as well. I got the driver and passenger side hardware removed. Going to go to the bull bar and put together some of the brackets so it can be installed. I got my hardware, my brackets, in the bull bar. Simple instructions here. It's the most simplest diagram. Just shows you there. Big piece of hardware goes into the bull bar, and 2 pieces of hardware go into the bracket where you remove the tow hooks. So we'll just do that on both sides. Let me go ahead and pre-assemble this hardware right here onto the bull bar. Alright, got the brackets on the bull bar here, just hand tighten. Gonna leave them loose. I'm gonna get underneath the truck and I'm gonna install this. Just gonna lay it on my belly and start the bolts. Here I am underneath the Sequoia. I have this held up here. See, it's right here, just hold it up. Able to start the bolts. Once you get both sides started, just go ahead and tighten them up. Got all the hardware tightened up to the bull bar. It looks awesome. How cool that looks. Installs in minutes. There will be another video coming out here. We have mounting holes for LED light pods or a light bar, whatever we want. But I'll be getting that in the future as well for a future upgrade. Nice side profile. Doesn't stick out really far. It's exactly what I was looking for. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video of how to install that bull bar right there. Making the Sequoia look good. Alright you guys, Monday to 6, out.